No, this isn't deja vu. This is the question I did last time that people said was a 10 out of 10 difficulty, but I solved it and I can show you how. You can watch that video above in the link. But today we're doing more probable works that's even more abstract than this. It's a nice fun question for Halloween. Tricky, but at the end, hopefully you'll understand it so easily that it'll feel like a treat if you see it on the test. All right, so here it is. A quadratic equation is graphed on the xy plane. It has an axis of symmetry of x equals k, and one of its x-intercepts is -6. In terms of k, what is the value of the other x-intercept? I lost my voice from yelling a lot lately, from teaching, but it'll come back, so don't worry about it. A equals k minus 6, b is k plus 6, c is 2k minus 6, and d is 2k plus 6. So the way this works is we have an x-intercept at -6. Let's say that's here. Then x equals k could be anywhere. Let's just say k is here. So then we graph it out like that. Let's say it's there. Okay, it's a terrible graph, but we'll get the idea. This is -6. So from the axis of symmetry to this solution is going to be the same distance as from this to here. So we just find this distance and add it on to k. So we're going to do k minus -6. We're going to get k plus 6. That's the distance. And then we're going to add that onto k. So then when we do that, we're going to get 2k plus 6. Let me rewrite that because my k's are looking like h's. I don't know what's up with that. 2k plus 6. D. Okay, so this question's abstract because we don't actually know what the x-axis of symmetry is. But we don't need to know that. We just need to plug it in and find the distance. I'm going to show you two variations on this that are the same exact concept, just asked a little differently. They'll take a very little time. So we'll look at this one here. A quadratic equation is graphed on the xy plane. It has solutions of 8 and k. In terms of k, what is the x value at the vertex? So the x value at the vertex will be the average of the two values. So here we would have 8 at one value, let's say, and then k at this value. We would add them together and divide by 2. So our answer would be 4 plus 1/2 k. And that is C. And then I'll show you one more way it's done. A quadratic equation is graphed on the xy plane. It has an axis symmetry of 6. And one of its x-intercepts is k. We could go like this. In terms of k, what is the value of the other x-intercept? So again, you would find the distance. It would be 6 minus k. I like to go from the axis of symmetry. Now I'm going to add that distance on to the axis of symmetry. So I'm going to add on 6. And then my answer will be 12 minus k, which is in B, -k plus 12. Okay, so these are all very abstract. They're not as hard as the last video I did. I'd give this like a 6.5. But they're fun to do. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're having a good time on Halloween. And if you have questions on this or anything else, I'm always happy to answer them. Talk to you soon, and I hope it's sunny where you are, but if it's raining like it is here, I hope it's cleaning your windows and watering your plants. Bye.